Hello guys, good afternoon. So ngayong araw ay may malaking okasyon dito sa Wamego City na kung saan gaganapin or ginaganap yung tinatawag na Tulip Festival. So halika na at puntahan na natin. Tara! I'm lucky that my friend is here. Hi Sophia! And Brad is here and his daughters, so pretty daughters. Yes. So hello!
Hello!
Yeah. I saw my friends here, and so I gonna show you the event place. There's a lot of what is this? How are you?
Hi.
I'm curious, what is this?
Okay, so that's you can purchase a bucket and you take it on the trailer and you get to sift through and keep what you find.
Oh,
Yeah, gems and minerals.
okay. Jensen Minerals.
It's a 10, 12, or $18. When we're open, it closes at 5.
Oh,
So we're open tomorrow.
okay, tomorrow.
10 to 4.
Ah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tulips.
Howdy.
Tulips. It is my first time to see actual tulips. I'm from Philippines, so I'm just
okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just here for a couple of months.
Nice.
Yeah,
We'll take some pictures of them. Oh.
nice. You'll be back tomorrow here.
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
Okay, thanks. You'll be here. So, dito guys. Ganda dito guys. So, ito naman tayo. So, meron dito guys, release. Ayan guys, kung tituntahan nyo dito, oh, flags, wow. Have a nice day.
All right. Now, just about every rock show,
Oh,
somebody, it's usually from the beer garden, has to yell out their favorite song
there's
request.
there's
It's kind of an inside
wow.
joke, but if we were to actually play Freebird, it would be 13 minutes long. And also, since I've never been to Alabama, I don't own real estate down there, and I have no idea if the skies are blue or not. We're going to substitute a different but hopefully equally appealing piece for
here
you
we
by
are
Leonard
now.
Skinner.
There's a little concert here. I don't know what kind of, what's the name of the group.
Mama told me when I was young, said sit beside me, my only son. Listen closely. You love and understand. Baby, be simple. Be a simple man. Oh, what you do is for me, son. If you can, baby, be a simple. Be a simple man. I want you to do is for me, son. If you can.
Ah, thank you. Woo! Very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an honor to play for you today at this beautiful Tulip Fest.
Yep.
Thank you to the town of Wamego for having us. Thank you for supporting your local soldiers and families of the Fort Riley community. We are so lucky to have a supportive community full of true old-fashioned patriots.
Yeah.
So I want to introduce Sergeant Osipov on this last song. This is his last mission with us here in the rock band. Give it up for Sergeant Osipov. All right, over here on the keyboards, we got Sergeant Lou. Back here on the drums, Staff Sergeant Garish. Over here on the bass, First Sergeant Dixon.
Yes.
Over here on the guitar,
Okay,
Staff Sergeant
so
Wagner. And back there
band
in
is
the
a
back,
soldier.
Staff Sergeant Matos. And I'm Sergeant First Class Poles. And we are the 1st Infantry Division Band from Fort Riley. Thank you so much for having us. This is our last song. Let's rock it.
will have a picture with them. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks. Okay, guys. So, nakita nyo naman, guys. Napakaswerte ko kasi ano tayo, nakakapagkuha tayo ng picture na kasama nila. So, yan. So, continue tayo sa paglilibot. So, ito na naman yung, guys, yung ano, yung park nila. Para naman to sa mga bata. This is for the children's. Yan. Dito sila naglalaro. Yan. Ito. Hanggang doon sa dulo. So, can equip. So tomorrow, guys, babalik tayo dito para sa second day ng Tulip Festival. So they are playing here. There's also a siso. So there's pang bata. Ayan. Ikutin natin to, guys, lahat. And yung last stop natin is doon sa tawag doon. Oh, nice. Wow. Wow. Tapos babalik ko. Oh. Okay. Dito naman yung duyan. So dito naman yung istasyon ng tren. Kung kanina may nakita kayong istasyon ng tren, and ito yung istasyon. Yan. So the reason kung bakit, guys, merong release dito sa park, kasi yung buong Wamego City is dinadaanan ng release ng tren or dinadaanan ng tren. So kaya ito yung reason. So yan. Siguro dapat yung lugar namin, which is Libmanan, meron din ganitong release kahit maliit lang, kasi buong Libmanan na dadaanan ng ng Riles. So dito sumasakay, bumababa yung mga bata. So dito naman guys, pwede kayong magpupo. Yan. So may release din dito guys. Yan, sa tabi ng then may isda din dito guys kasi may nag-fishing dito eh. Yan. So meron din ditong pavilion, pwedeng magkain. So ang ganda dito guys, you know, tingnan nyo. So may mga dahon na yung mga puno. Ang ganda guys. Ilalim ng puno mas maganda. So ito guys yung siguro simbolo ng Wamego. Kasi nung narinig ko ang Wamego, parang pamilyar sa akin. So ibon yung Wamego. So ito yung ibon na 'yon. And dito naman yung hindi ko alam guys kung anong tawag dito sa anong ito court na ito. Para siyang tennis court na maliit. So small tennis court. Comment below guys kung alam niyo tong sports na ito. And dito naman yung basketball court syempre. And meron siyang dalawang court, 4 na ring. So lanta na guys yung tulip. So dito yung kung naalala nyo guys yung reels ko na maganda nung Holy Week, dito ko yung kinuha. So and this is the old Dutch mill. Guys, sa lapitan natin guys kasi mayroong so may tulips dito guys. So ito yung Dutch mill guys, old Dutch mill. So basahin natin guys tong old Dutch mill. So kaya na guys magbasa. Titingnan ko na lang. Okay, very nice. Wow, very nice guys. This is the Dutch mill. Okay guys, thank you very much. So this is the end of our vlog. Wait, ayusin ko lang. Okay guys, so this is the end of my vlog. So hopefully guys na nagustuhan nyo yung kanta. Hopefully guys nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin today. So thank you very much sa pagsubaybay and maraming salamat sa panonood. And yun lamang guys. So happy Tulip Festival. Bye.